Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and connecting the bed so adjustments will respond. First, plug the base into a grounded outlet and confirm any LED shows power. Next, pair the remote or app, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi so you can send precise commands. Pairing takes a minute. Turn the pump on and set both sides to about 20-30 as a neutral starting firmness. Lie down immediately to sense baseline support. Once you feel the mattress, you'll be ready to refine comfort. Now you fine-tune firmness so the mattress supports spine alignment and pressure relief. Increase or decrease in small 5-point steps and wait 10 to 20 seconds after each change so the air stabilizes. Pay attention to shoulders and hips. Adjust sides independently if one person needs more give. Use app presets or memory buttons to save promising settings and toggle between them. That makes it easy to compare what reduces pressure and improves breathing. Once done, finish by saving the firmness you prefer so you can return to it nightly without guessing. Make a habit of inspecting hoses, pump, and connectors monthly and keep the app or firmware updated to avoid control glitches. If you run into a problem where the mattress won't inflate, first check for kinked hoses or loose fittings and reseat them, then power cycle the pump and reattempt pairing. If that doesn't work, contact support. One quick hose check solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.